INVIDEO AI versus Lumen5 Usage Experience. Links to both INVIDEO AI and Lumen5 are provided in the description below. In this video, we're diving into a comparison between two powerful AI-driven video creation tools, INVIDEO AI and Lumen5, to help you decide which one is best suited for your needs. Both tools offer impressive features, but they serve different user types and have their own strengths. INVIDEO AI is a highly intuitive platform designed for creating videos quickly and easily. It allows you to turn scripts or articles into fully edited videos using AI technology. The platform provides a vast library of templates, stock footage, music, and images, which can be customized to fit your brand or message. Whether you're creating social media videos, advertisements, or educational content, INVIDEO AI is perfect for users who need to produce high-quality content on tight deadlines. It's especially useful for marketers, social media managers, and small businesses looking for fast video creation without complex editing skills. On the other hand, Lumen5 is a video creation tool that also leverages AI, but takes a slightly different approach. Lumen5 allows you to convert written content like blog posts or articles into engaging videos. It's designed to help content marketers, agencies, and businesses create videos that are optimized for social media. Lumen5 offers a drag-and-drop interface and a variety of customizable templates, making it accessible to users with little to no video editing experience. However, its strength lies in its ability to enhance text-based content, creating visually appealing videos that maintain your written message. In terms of ease of use, both platforms are beginner-friendly, but INVIDEO AI offers more advanced customization options. Lumen5, however, shines when it comes to its AI-powered text-to-video capabilities, particularly for content marketers focusing on long-form written content. If you're looking to create videos quickly with more template variety, INVIDEO AI may be a better choice, whereas Lumen5 excels in creating visually impactful videos from written materials. Choose based on your content needs. Both platforms are strong contenders in their respective areas. Check out the links in the description to explore both tools further.